Not sure my audio is working. Yes, it's working. Welcome back, guys. I don't have, oh my God, Trader Pro. I have forgot something here. Blind. Okay. I need to I need to remove the bar promotion, and as well I need to remove the, not this one, the other one here. Where the heck is the other video there? Hi everyone, welcome back. Market just opened a little bit gap from yesterday low. Now we're gonna figure it out if we're gonna be able to make some money today or lose some money. For the moment, we are just fixing everything, and we're gonna put as well the trading data, trading view, the level data, sorry. We have from yesterday, 1 hour chart. So from yesterday, what I've changed right now, it's 209 is, I will keep it as a level 209, mostly it, nothing above. Yeah, not really that much, to be honest. So I'm gonna keep it like that. And I'm gonna keep as well the data on my, what is it? Perfect. Hello Tanuj. Hey bro, started following you today. Yeah, welcome man, welcome. Hope you're doing great. You can ask me any questions. Any question you want. Apple is weak there. I'm looking, need to fix my freaking things here. And I want to fix as well the trade copier. What is it? What is it? What is it? Trade copier. Evaluation scalping, but no. PA 44. And which 60, 61, 62. And we're gonna trade them with 10 times more, 10 times more, 10 times more. Good morning, Mufti the Cat. Everyone, you're welcome. I'm facing issue of greed and not booking my profits after getting 100 pips and expecting it to move to 200 pips and more that end up closing up in losses. So, Mufti, what would you advise him? I have an answer. I have an answer for your things. Or what Active Society would advise him? Hello, Active, to Tanuj that is asking why is still getting a lot of greed when he's taking action in the market. He's taking a lot of action. Nick replied to him, set expectation before a trade based on market, not your emotion. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. You have to think, Tanuj, one thing. Most of us, the moment we take a trade, before we take a trade, we have a different mindset, a different view of the market. And when we are in a trade, we see the market in a different way because emotions gets in the game. If before, for example, you were seeing a long, when you are in the position, you start to see some resistance, and then your brain might come and say, you might lock out some profit. It's gonna hit this your resistance. I just noticed it now, just because your brain wants to remove you from the stress of being in a position. But these emotions are just emotions coming from the fear, the fact of we are all of us monkeys, humans making mistakes over and over, the greed of money. So the fact of Nick, what he said there is that everything has to be done before the trade. Your idea, your strategy is based on back testing it, forward testing it, and the fact that the moment you enter, you have an idea of take profit, an idea of stop loss. It can be anything. It can be a fixed stop loss, a fixed take profit, or how the market evolves. If I get a big red candle, I'm gonna take off myself. If I get a small green candle, I'm gonna still be in the trade. So it depends, but you need to have a strategy before taking the trade, not during. Not just because you are doing the trade and you're like, ooh, 100 pips, I can have more. No, that is then you're trading your PNL, and you're not trading your chart. Trade your chart, trade your strategy, and don't trade your PNL. The PNL does not matter. The PNL is the result of trading right over and over and over and over on your strategy. It's not based on your action taken on a singular trade. Yes, Nick, that's a very good point. That's what I said in my latest video. Is many people they don't know themselves before understanding the market. Many of the people get in the market and they don't know themselves enough to trade the market. They try to understand the market, but they don't know how they are emotional, because some of us are more emotional than others, and some of us gets triggered in a different way than others. And the moment you understand how the market plays with your emotions is the moment as well you have more edge against this problem of emotion wise. Yeah, Apple pushing. How is the heat map? What is my freaking heat map right now? How is the heat map? More red than green. Tesla green. Now it's coming back. Apple give me some kind of lower high there, but lots of red. Yeah. Yeah, have your profit idea before taking the trade. Or your execution should be based on backtesting data, not because of your PNL of being 100 pips above and you want 200 pips. Because then you're trading your PNL. Don't look at your PNL. The PNL is the outcome of executing over and over and over and over hundreds of times the same strategy. Trading is a statistic game. Trading is a statistic game. On a single trade means nothing. On hundreds of trades means everything. Right now, everything is a bit of a weird situation. Market's kind of pushing. Some are pushing down. I don't like it. I'm not gonna take any actions on my new PA. I have I have quite a big heat map here. I don't know what the. I have the heat. Yeah, I have the. Yeah, trading is because that's what I'm trying right now. That's what I'm trying right now, my friend. Let's see what. Okay, we're getting some push there. I like it. Let's see how the situation right now. More green is coming. Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. Kind of liking this long, to be honest. $945 PMI. That's very good, Mufti. Hello, my friend. I like this long idea, just because I see Amazon and Apple kind of holding there. I'm gonna just wait a little bit more. We have time to take a trade. Only one trade is enough to take us in a good state. Still pushing, that's nice. What is the news trend? What is the news trend? What is the daily trend? Daily trend up, I would say, for the moment, for the main markets. Apple, Amazon, Google. The heat map is getting more green than red. Yeah, I think I'm starting like more, but I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes news in a little bit. No, I'm looking at daily. I mean, I'm just looking at the opening from the opening print level. The only opening level, well, the opening print level were above the opening print level of today. That's what I'm looking as a daily. We're making new highs for the moment. I mean, yeah, we're making new highs at least on a general factor here. 60 ticks, my stop loss. I have to figure it out if everything is correct, guys. Okay, my PS are there. We have enough ATR. I don't use VWAP. I should add the VWAP, to be honest. So I don't know. I don't have VWAP in front of me. I just look at the candles. Two more minutes. Good morning, Reddy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We're here to make money. We're here to make money. One day we're gonna reach 1,000 people. Still pushing there. If we open stocks is great. I might look into it. Let me open. I'm opening my YouTube information here. 55 seconds for the 50 minutes candle closing, guys, and the news there that Mufti the Cat, the handsome Mufti the Cat, told us. We have PMI and as well ISAM job openings at 10 a.m. Oh, that 10 a.m. is going to be a bit of a harder one, guys. Looking into it, I still like the long idea. I still like the long idea there. To me, it's not a trade yet. I'm gonna take a scalp above. I'm gonna scalp above. The break above here. Bro, are you looking for any timeline designer or video editor for your channel? Tanuj, I am speaking with someone about video editing. Not for my timeline yet. As well, that one has to come one day. Are you saying that my timelines are shit? I'm sorry. It's a reality. I understand that. The life is difficult being that good. Just joking. Everything is pushing right now, guys. Heat map is there. Some green more there. Also, I Amazon as well right now. I'm looking. I was kind of there with this long at 980. Would I be getting stopped out here? Probably, yeah. Kind of loving more this long idea. This 400s, the 400s we had problem yesterday, by the way. Wait for 10 a.m. It does make sense, my friend. It does make sense. Bitmap is not long yet, not that much. I mean, just some stocks turning more green. Nvidia red, not that much neither. Gonna look at that. Oh, we're coming for the long. We're coming from the long there. Start recording. And we might look for this long. At least on the scalp here. On the 15 minutes break. Yeah, we might wait for this news and then the market starts to freaking crash to one direction. What will we do? Hello, Mahmoud. Okay, we're gonna get the break above, guys. We're long. And we are stopped out. Oh, we got slippage. So much slippage there on the break above. So much slippage on the break above. And Apple is still pushing, so we might still be lucky on that. Come on, Apple. Bring us above. It's doing it. Come on, Apple. Push us a little bit more. Come on, Apple. Guys, nice closing candle there we need. That's good. Go, go, go. Stop loss in break even there. Come on, give us this 50. Let's go, guys. First trade, green. And then it came out to be a nice idea to go long somewhere here. But I mean, easy to say now. But if it was gonna say that if it was gonna go lower, I would have said it was a good idea to not enter. Yeah, first trade at least green on these PAs. I would say beautiful. Let's freaking go, guys. Another green trade that was needed on this account. Let's move to the next one. Long idea. It's coming to work out right now. Apple really, guys, pushing. That's already 60 points from the 400s. You got lucky. There is no luck. There's only Amza the genius. Amza the genius. Luck does not exist with Amza. I am the one that decides where the market goes. Yeah, zero expectations. Yes, no expectation already, zero. If we get red trade, if we get green trade, we cannot know the future. In reality, what we take trades is based on information that are already in the past. That's why we take trades. We take trades on information that are already in the past, and we base ourselves on taking that action. So we cannot blame ourselves if we do the correct things of executing, then getting stopped out later. All right? It's still is a gamble. Amsa controls the market. That's what you told you guys. I control the market. You never understood. You never follow my advices, guys. I told you to go freaking long with all your profit and money. Apple still pushing there. Still holding. I like it. The news at 10 a.m. is gonna be the crucial one, I think. Free catalyst there, yes a.m. job openings, so kind of a bit of a important one. Microsoft still pushing there. Microsoft still pushing. This long can be interesting, guys. This long can be interesting. I'm gonna go long for their 2 macros. I like the long. Apple continue pushing that above the 50s. Would be nice. Come on, Apple. Apple closing nicely strong. Can we keep pushing there? Moving my stop loss there to break even. Okay, we got stopped out in break even. I saw your PNL yesterday. Was that one MQ? And Activator Site is the adding guy, man. He might enter with one MQ, but then he just add, and then position gets big enough. Nice pullback there. Nice break even for the moment. Getting out without suffering. Apple's still pushing, so that can be interesting. That was a nice 420 there. When it starts to go in my favor, I look at. When it goes bad, I only lose one. Yeah, I see your point on that. You add. At the end, when the moment you close, you're gonna lose only in the last add, but you have made money in all the previous one. I like that. We like that. Yeah, adding to winning position is a strong thing. It's really a strong thing. It's if you become good at that mentally, it's a strong thing. Really, one of the best skill ever to have. Because you're really triggering your brain of being like, this is it's not an uncomfortable situation. This is normal. I'm handling it, and I'm comfortable. I'm doing great. Yes, it goes against your mindset of protecting your capital and taking the profit out, and instead of put more risk. How many times? What is your brain thinks at the moment you are in a profit? Move your stop loss to break even. Take out your profit. Partial out. All these emotions, all these things comes from fear of losing the money you made in profit. And what our brain does when it goes against you, goes close to your stop loss, add to the position. You're averaging down. You're entering a better price. All emotions that are in the end the losing one. It's insane. It's insane. It's beautiful at the same time. The mindset of a trader is just so sexy things to study. What happens with me is that I'm afraid to take a trade with one account because I'm scared. And I lose in 10 accounts. Man, I feel you, man. I'm as well, Mufti, right now with these new things of trading, it's gonna come that I will make definitely some mistakes, but I'm trying to be good of getting some good trades here. 400 there getting rates tested, and we're getting 5 more minutes the news. I'm looking that this can be a nice buying momentum if Apple does not pull back as much as it's looking it's doing it. Microsoft it's holding, Amazon pulling back, so I'm trying just to be careful. Trying to be careful. I'm more biased on the long side, to be honest, for the moment when I look at the stocks. But in 4 minutes we have the news, so it's just better to wait and take the good trade after the news is out. I don't know what is the promotion right now with Apex, guys. I removed all the banners because I don't have anything prepared. I think it's 50% off. So right now we have 50% off with Apex. But yeah, I just removed it because I don't have I did not edit them to show them. If Nvidia goes green, we can go up fast. Where is my Nvidia here? Yeah, it's pulling back there. That's a nice opening print level retested on Nasdaq. And that beautiful Apple giving us some nice bounce. I would love to go for a buy here, to be honest. I'm just waiting for that news in 3 minutes. That's kind of annoying. Break in 3 minutes. Oh, and what is the break you write? Ooh, the break lower is at 380. Ooh. Yeah. Honestly, this long is a good long. I like this long. But the news in 2 minutes can be in my favor, can be against me, so it's a kind of a lottery. But I prefer that it pushes and then I scalp longer or I scalp shorter. Oh. The heat map for the entire Nasdaq. I have the heat map for the main stocks, I believe. Oh, no, I mean I have. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I have the entire Nasdaq heat map here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe no, 50, maybe 50 stocks. It's coming. Yeah, no, I think it's all. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 50 stocks probably. That long was a good. I like it. I'm like that. My idea of plan are working well because that bounce at the opening print level was matching exactly with Apple. So this was already a nice 40 points bounce there. So, but it's okay. News is coming in 30 seconds, guys. If you're going long or short, I wish you the best. I'm gonna right now be ready to trade this beauty. A break long, I would be happy to take it, to be honest. Seven, 6, focus. Okay, fake breakout lower. Oh, that's it, came there. Oh, that came there. We avoided a fake breakout. That's good. It's coming lower. Let me just remove this order. I'm looking how the market is interacting with this news. how the main stocks are moving. Apple kind of correcting a little bit. Yeah, I'm waiting right now to see a confirmation that Apple is holding this higher low is making, and Amazon just made a higher low too. Not that much. Right now I'm gonna just wait and see. That fake breakout, we avoided at least on the low side. Was a good, was a good fake out to remove. This one was a good one to avoid. Hope, good morning, Hope. How are you? You're doing great. I hope you're doing great. Hope. What are we gonna do with this trend, with this market? Pushing lower right now, below the opening print level on Nasdaq. So we're getting red on the New York opening session of Nasdaq. So we're back red. We are back red on Nasdaq price from the opening of the New York time. But I still don't like the short. I still don't like the short. I'm good, brother. Thank you so much for asking. I'm good. I'm just right now waiting. I got one good trade on the 50-minute scalp. Would be nice to get another one. Would be a nice 4 consecutive green trades with the 15-minute strategy. And it will give us back to these accounts back to 50,000, back to 150,000, around 53,000. That's at least something coming back. This account 42 was a new account, never went to profit until probably now. What was the peak balance of this account was the peak balance of account 43, guys, is 50,000. So the first trade I've ever took, it went right away to red. And Mufti, you're leaving us early, man. See you tomorrow. Thank you for coming as always, man. Appreciate you. Cedar, is PA Apex a live funded master account and PA Apex for evaluation? PA Apex is the funded account. That's where you can get payout. Apex is evaluations. The PA in the front is funded. The without PA in the front is evaluation. So these are evaluations. These are funded accounts. Oh, I like this bounce. Holding. I like. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me see for longs, guys. I'm looking for longs. Nice bounce, yeah, I like it. I'm gonna attempt that along with 2 micros. Tempting along. Apple still pushing. Oh wow, that's ugly for me. Ready. If you're finished, you're done. That's very unlucky for me. Apple there is doing a good job of holding, not the rest of the stocks. Go to Maluma party. That's good. That's good. Apple is. I didn't close my position just because of Apple, guys. Insanity. Apple's going for the push higher. Google as well, pushing right now. Microsoft getting ready as well. We need this. I need Amazon to push as well. I need Amazon to break that consolidation is created right now. Google is pushing for the highs. We need a little bit more from Apple as well right now. Break the highs for Apple. Can be choppy today. 100% today is very choppy. Come on, Google, break the highs. Don't grab the liquidity there. Okay, that's good. Apple is still holding. But I might close it soon, guys. Don't like this breaking lower from the rest of the stocks. I'm gonna call myself out. How many days it takes? It depends. With evaluation, sometimes I play strong, sometimes I play less. So right now I lost $1,500 on these evaluations. Taking the short, and that was I would say very good of my calling myself out from the trade. I lost only $146. I could have lost much more by letting it slide even more lower. I call myself out of 59 is already at, and it reached 30. So it depends on the valuation. Sometimes I go YOLO, sometimes no. Sometimes I trade them correctly, sometimes I don't. But PAs are the one that I'm definitely using risk management. On my PAs, I don't joke. I don't play around. I'm not the other traders online that they don't show you the number of accounts and they blow them and they're like, I'm back, I'm making $5,000 and they don't show you if they lost. I show everything. My accounts survive more. My PS accounts record survived 164 trading days, and it closed because I removed the $6,000 profit I had inside. Taking the short there, Active Draw Society. I like this. Understand that idea of short there. Right now, it's coming out to be interesting. Taking that short as well. Google pushing above, but Apple and Amazon on the lower side. Come on, Google, reject these highs, liquidate, grab liquidity, and come back low. Not the best. I'm gonna just add one contract there. Come on, Apple. Push this. Closing the contract I added. We'll see if to add. That was a quick scalp on that direction at least. Can we get a continuation lowers? Why you add? I added just because I like that Apple did not make any bounce. So I was like, I'm gonna add one contract on the lower side because I like that Apple did not make any bounce, did not make any green candle. It was still red. That's why I added. Just waking up. Hey, tomato. Dogs, man, dogs are a pain. Trade it relaxed way, my friend. Be the best trader you can. Might start to sell off more right now. I'm gonna probably add more. The 300s are there. Adding one as well. Candle closing in 10 seconds. I like this nice sell-off from Google from the highs. Come on, give us a nice sell-off right now. Don't be nasty with this market. Continue this sell-off. Nice, come on. That's good. If you break this 300, we're gonna fly down. Flight zone, flight zone. Break this 300, we're gonna fly lower. And 15 minutes break is coming as well in 2 minutes, guys. That's nice. Keep going lower. Two more minutes for the next 15 minutes break, guys. 1 minute and 15 seconds. The break of the lower side is definitely makes more sense. I mean, it's not that it makes more sense. It's the only thing that's going to happen because the break higher is hundreds of points far. 1 more minute. Can we get 34 seconds? We get the next break. Oh my God, do I still have a... Still, everything looks good for the short side. 22 seconds. Break lower here at 289. That's a beautiful break. I'm gonna make a course and sell it for millions of dollars. Break lower, guys. 15 minutes break there. We're gonna go for the short. Let's see how it goes. Bounce there from this market. Still okay. Still okay, the short side. That's it. That was beautiful. Oh my God, that's a beautiful shot for us. That's a huge rejection there. So many people buying, they will have their stop loss here. And we want them. That's good. We're short as well right now. Come on, market. Oh, don't be nasty with me. Don't be nasty with me, market. Don't be nasty with me. Okay, he's nasty with me. We got stopped out in the 15 minutes break strategy. That was unlucky. Especially after his huge candle. What the heck? Break even there. Break even with this one. That was really ugly. I mean, the short side is the one that makes more sense again. Evaluations. My evaluations are the one that are pushing that value lower. See that? But overall, I'm slightly in a loss. I'm slightly in a loss. I'm still short as well. I still like it. Yeah, it shows if I have to show only the PA, it will be something like that. That's how much I'm down on today if I show you only my PA. $63 for the moment. I'm looking to add on the short side. How are you in a loss? No, the evaluations, and my PAs. I mean break even. So sometimes you get I get some 1-2 sticks of slippage on my stop loss. That's why. Tesla pushing right now, but Apple still on the lower side. If Apple breaks that little thing, so that flag, I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add short there. Apple breaking that little finally giving us maybe some time for the downside right now to push. Amazon coming back as well. We just wait. Nice closing candle of the 1 minute in Apple there. Break this freaking 290. Tesla is kind of yeah, messing up with us, but I like Apple and Amazon coming back lower. We just need a little bit more push. That's good. A little bit more. Amazon, sell off as well, and you can give us a nice sell off there. Kind of annoying there, but Google is pulling back. Still have the short side working. Nice, come on. Closing one contract. Closing another one there. Closing another one. Now trailing the last contract until whatever. La 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 la. So let me put back all my accounts because I have to see where is my I got stopped out. I'm out. I wanted that was a bit of annoying that I got stopped out in that one. $160 of profit right now. That last contract annoyed me that I let it bounce 30 points. A bit too much, but it's okay. It's okay. With the trade, I would say give myself a nice out of 10 here. We closed everything, closed one in break even. Or maybe you can say the last one in a little of a loss. Yeah, $160 in profit there on these accounts. On this evaluation up 1,500. That's great. So that's good. That's good as well for these accounts for my evaluations, and good for my PA. $160. Hello, Abdel. That's a nice bounce there from the market. I'm not gay. What do you mean? What is your average of dollars per payout from Apex? In the last period, not that much, was $700, $800. Last year I was requesting always full amount. So, but I'm still positive. I mean, did not request that much this year. I could have requested much more. But yeah, I got a bad period. But I'm profitable. I show everything. What I didn't understand why I'm not gay. What do you mean? Did I say something by mistake? Trying to understand if I messed up something and I said something wrong. Thank you, man. Thank you. Everything is shown. The Apex account number. That is the problem, I think. Many people, influencer online, people like to follow people that have 20 accounts, but these people are making a lot of money. I know, I'll make a lot of money from affiliate. So for them, they just rewatch the 20 PAs because they know that people like to see traders with 20 accounts traded full sides, and if they blow them, people like to see people blowing. But in reality, you don't learn that much from them, and you just keep blowing as well your own personal accounts by following bad habits. Here I just show every account risk management. Yes, I could have been much more up to date. Yes, but my risk protect me. I'm in break even on these accounts. I'm up $160 on this one, and we keep moving. We keep moving. The short idea was great on this one. I just freaking hell got an area where it was stubborn to break. Now I see Abdel that he said, "See you guys." He's making every day. What do you mean with he's making every day? That was a really nice sell, close position here. Look at that bounce, guys. How is the stocks doing right now? That's some nice push from the stocks market too. All of us after. But this trade here, hey guys, this trade was beautiful. Shorted here, added he. No, this was the stop out of this one. What the heck is that? This is shorted here, shorted more. No, I'm lost. This was the entry, this is the stop out. Then I shorted here, I added here, I shorted even more here, I shorted even more here. I closed 3 of them, closed one, and closed the one that was in profit, I think. This one out. There's certainly messed up. Somewhere is missing, but anyway, that was the idea. It's making you guys, all of you. But I still don't know. Well, no, but I didn't understand what you mean with that seeder. I didn't understand your what you're referring to. Apex right now does not have any discount. It has 50% off with 50%. I mean, if you wanna spend that much money or wait for the next promotion. I don't know when will it come. Yes, honestly, let's think about today. That was a great trade. I closed the all. I was short here 2 macros. I added one more. So I was shorting 4 macros. I was shorting 80 macros in my PAs. And my valuations, what I'm copied 80 macros. I was short 8 min in a situation. So if I make $1,000 of profit on this 50K account, I should make it. Yes, Emma, just because of evaluation, I'm trying to push them. And see you, Tomato. Thank you for passing by. I mean, we're gonna be ready, be done as well here very soon. I mean, short is here, it's still on, guys. The short idea is still on. You know what? I'm done. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Have a beautiful day. Don't think I will be today at the power hour. If I have the energy, yes, I will be there. If I don't have it, see you tomorrow. We'll figure it out. Come in Discord to chat. Have a beautiful day, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna call each one of you guys that came and say hi. Thank you, Abdel. Thank you, Tanush. Thank you, Mufti the Cat, Active Trader Society. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mufti the Cat. I said it already, freaking hell. Thank you, Mahmoud. Thank you, Tomato. Thank you, Hope. Thank you, Saddar Heart. Thank you, Red Deer. And that's all. Saddar was the last one. Thank you, guys, everyone. See you later or tomorrow.